So since India is one of the biggest buyer of Iranian products, so at the moment we have done the several activities on the apple and the cherry and banana from India, and we are hoping from you and your company and your Indian partner welcome you to Dubai and keep meeting us in Dubai to explore it. And for the coming season for the apple, like a base oil, like a bitumen, like a recycled oil, and this which are going from UAE to India. From India, the black granite, green granite, gray, and the red granite is getting from India to Iran.
Friends, welcome to Import Export Federation. We are in Dubai and we are meeting different partners from different countries. We want to facilitate the trade between India and many other countries. So that's an effort Federation is taking. Today we are with one of the partners from Iran, and you know that Iran and India share a very good business relationship. India export a lot of agriculture products to Iran like rice, banana, turmeric, and many other products, and we import from Iran apples, saffron, pistachios, dates, and other petroleum products also. So we see that there is a lot of opportunities in trade. So we are in Dubai, which is a trade hub for the world, and a lot of people from different countries are here to facilitate to do the trade. So Federation for Federation partners, importers and exporters who want to get into trade, this is a platform for you all. So let's welcome Mr. Mustaba. We will request him to please introduce yourself, your company, and what product you are dealing with, and how can we take this trade further.
Hello, everybody. Nice to meet you here, and thanks, Mr. Abhijit and his team, for arranging this meeting and this opportunity to explore and expand this historical relation between Iran and India. Here, we are expert in the agricultural product like apple, dates, dry fruits like a pistachio, saffron, and since more than 10 years we are doing it from Iran to India, mainly directly and sometimes via Dubai, and everything is going to work based on the draft and supply from the market. So since India is one of the biggest buyer of Iranian products, so here in Dubai we are facilitating the payment system and the logistic system for make the business more smooth and more easier for Indian clients. And it will happen during a different season because, as you know, in the fresh fruits and the agricultural market is depends on the season. But at the moment, we have done the several activities on the apple and the cherry and banana from India, and we are hoping from you and your company and your Indian partner welcome you to Dubai and keep meeting us in Dubai to explore it and for the coming season for the apple. So the apple season is going to be a start in next few months, and we have to prepare it, and we have to get the inquiry and the order from our clients, and we expecting you from
Right,
your
sure.
team.
Yeah. So we are their partners in India. We will be marketing your products to India, like as you said, apple, pistachio, dates. Then you also mentioned some other products like marble
Minerals,
and
granite,
granite, and you also
turmeric.
mentioned some petroleum products. So please, could you please tell us about that?
Yeah, the petroleum product is coming to the downstream, the
Okay.
derivatives like a base oil, like a bitumen, like a recycled oil, and this which are going from UAE to India. So
Okay.
most of them are getting produced from here, and the raw material will get supply from different country, Gulf country.
Okay.
And even in the mineral, the marble is exporting a lot to India. And apart from that, from India, the black granite, green granite, gray, and the red granite is getting from India to Iran.
Okay.
Yes, these
Great.
are the minerals.
Right.
And minerals, if we get it two category, one is the oil derivatives, another one is the stones and the marble.
Okay. So you can see, friends, a lot of trade opportunities are there. Very soon we will be arranging a buyer-seller meeting with this group, and we will be inviting many Iranian traders and Indian traders, and we will see that we can facilitate the trade. Ultimately, trade होना चाहिए तो आप सभी को उसका फायदा होगा. इंडिया के प्रोडक्ट बाहर बिक सकते हैं. इंडिया के प्रोडक्ट बाहर एक्सपोर्ट होने चाहिए. Lot of products are getting imported in India, so this is one of the biggest opportunity for all federation associates. So thank you, sir.
Thank you
Thanks
so
for
much.
giving this information, and we are looking forward to have a big trade with you. Thank you all. Keep watching us, keep following us. Thank you.
Thank you.